Do you know you can get paid by playing online games, cooking or baking together, or simply just sharing your interests with someone online? Watch this video to learn how you can be a virtual friend and start earning money. If you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here are the sites that you can register with to start working as a virtual friend. Number 1. Rentafriend.com. Rentafriend.com is a website that allows you to rent local friends from all over the world. You can rent a local friend to hang out with, go to a movie or restaurant with, or someone to go with you to a party or event. People are using Rentafriend.com to hire a local to show them around town if they're in a new city. To find someone to go to work party, wedding or other social events. To find someone to see a movie or go out to a restaurant and don't have anyone to go with. To find local friends to go out to dinner with, go to the bar with, or watch a sports game with when they're on a business trip. They also use this platform to find someone if they have an extra ticket to a sporting event or concert and don't want to go alone. They also use it to look for a workout partner for the gym, or if they are just looking for someone to give them a personal advice. Most of the friends on Rentafriend.com start at just $10 an hour, but almost all of them are willing to negotiate or even waive their fees depending on the activity you are planning with them. Once you become a member, you can contact any of the friends by phone or message the friend through their anonymous messaging system to discuss your plans. Number 2. FriendPC. FriendPC aims to help people make friends, find someone to accompany you somewhere, or help you reach a goal. They provide an opportunity for the subscribers on FriendPC to meet friends. And also created a platform for virtual friends to earn extra cash by posting friendship booking services. Whether you want to book a virtual friend or become a virtual friend, FriendPC offers it all. Find someone to build a companionship with, life coach services, or give you a tour around a city you're visiting. Signing up for a FriendPC account as a member is absolutely free, depending on what services you choose to offer as a virtual friend. You may be charged a small fee to cover your listings. Once you begin earning money by providing services to members, you'll take home 90% to 95% of your earnings from each booking. Number 3. Rent-a-Cyberfriend. Rent-a-Cyberfriend.com is a social platform based on the concept of pen pal, but updated for today's digital world. This platform allows you to connect with cyber friends globally based on your interests. At Rent-a-Cyberfriend, there is an opportunity for everyone. You need to be 18 years and above, but no degree or certificates are needed. You must have a good internet connection and a camera. You should be passionate about what you do, and have a good smile and be friendly. To find your ideal cyber friend, filter online cyber friends search with interest tags, categories, gender, etc. It may take 1 or 2 calls before you find the best person to share your time with them. But it'll be worth it when you do find your ideal cyber friend. What other sites can you recommend for those who want to earn money as a virtual friend? We truly appreciate your sharing of ideas. Thanks for watching. We hope this video can help you get started to becoming a virtual friend and get paid for connecting with other people. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell, so you'll get updates on our new videos on how to earn money. See you soon.